Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Hedra AI. Hedra AI is changing the game. This Hedra AI tutorial will show you how you can use it for text to video, image to video generation, and the best part, it's free to use. Now let's just get started. You can just open hedra.com and you can click on try now or click on sign up, or if you can just log in directly if you already have the account. So I'm going to just click on try now button and you'll be asked to sign up using your Gmail address or Google. I'm going to just continue with my Google account. Okay, so I've already signed in into Hedra AI. Here you can just click on this and click on create an account. Okay, so this is the home page of Hedra AI. You can just explore in here. You can go to video if you want to create video. You can here go to image if you want to do image generations. So I'm going to create an image first in here. For example, a cat playing skateboard in park. Playing on a skateboard in a park. Now you can just hit on generate. So apparently this one is high in demand, so I need to subscribe first to continue, but you can just click on generate and Hedra will generate the images for you. And then if you want to do image to video generation, you can just go to video options in here and then you can just describe the video that you want to generate. You can also click on add character in here. You can generate the image or upload it from your device. For example, I'm going to this image right here. You can click on open and choose I consent and just describe your video here and tap on generate. These are a few examples of the video created by Hedra. This one is image, or this one is high low 2.3. So it's best for you to just buy the subscription if you want to explore more of Hedra AI. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.